Welcome everybody, here's a short video about a Glock44 and the MicroRoni conversion kit compatibility. But first things first, let's check if the guns are unloaded and clear. We are using a second generation MicroRoni with a Glock19C inside, and it's also clear. So, thanks to Guns4U gun shop, we are testing the Glock44 on our range. For a few days, we've shot a little bit over 1,000 rounds through this gun. I must say, so far it has been flawless, except some little hiccups on S&B subsonic ammunition. And all of those jams happened during using a suppressor. The idea is to run the gun out of the box without oiling and cleaning as far as it will go reliably without a malfunction, and we'll see how it will go. We have both versions on shelf, the threaded one and non-threaded. But back to the MicroRoni. Personally, I must say I'm a big fan of conversion kits for Glock, especially the MicroRoni and the FAB CAA, which are the most compact ones. I know that some say it's gimmick, that it's better to buy a CZ Scorpion or any other dedicated machine pistol. But in my opinion, if you know the idea that is behind it, and the fact that it's not considered as a firearm or essential component in our country, it might be a useful tool and a very funny toy on the range. One of the biggest advantages I discovered working on the range is that with a very compact construction and shouldering and very short length of pull, it is perfect for smaller people and children. So, as soon as we get our hands on a Glock44, which you know is kinda like a Glock19, fits all the holsters, keep dimensions pretty well. Also, the magazines are quite the same, they fit very well into the mag pouches, kind of beefy, same style. And we started wondering if we'll fit into the MicroRoni and if it will work. Enough keep you waiting. Let's try to put it inside. First, we're going to take out the G19 out of the conversion. This detachable charging handle is only present in Generation 2 of MicroRoni. The Gen 3 has this piece already built into the conversion. So let's try it on the slide. Yep, it fits pretty well. And let's see if the pistol will click in. Yes, it's in. Close the hinge, lock it in. Okay, let's try. Yeah, the charging handle works. Pistol doesn't move. Of course, it also works. We fired few magazines through it. It ran very well. The version with the threaded barrel also fits inside with no problems. So, as you can see, if you have a Glock44 and the conversion kit on hand, you can change it to a really nice and fun to shoot 22 LR blinker. Of course, there will be a lot more fun with the high capacity magazines, which I suppose the Glock should release sooner or later. Speaking of mags, there is one hiccup that we need to point. I do not recommend to try to fit those 22 LR magazines into the mag pouch, which is located in the front grip. As you can see, it has a really sharp edges that will lock in solid. It's kind of difficult to remove them without the tools. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, consider clicking the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and follow us on social media. See you in the next video.